Here's a recipe for Punjabi style alooka paratha. Ingredients: 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon ajwain seeds, 1 tablespoon oil, water, 3 medium-sized potatoes, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon red. In a large mixing bowl, add whole wheat flour, salt, cumin seeds, ajwain seeds, and oil. Mix well. Gradually add water and knead the dough. The dough should be smooth and elastic. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Boil the potatoes until they are cooked. Peel the skin and mash them in a bowl. Add chopped green chilies, grated ginger, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and salt to the mashed potatoes. Mix well. Divide the dough into equal-sized balls. Roll each ball into a small circle on the floured surface. Place a spoonful of the potato filling in the center of the rolled dough. Fold the edges of the dough over the filling and pinch to seal. Roll the stuffed dough ball into a flat, circular paratha. Make sure the potato filling doesn't come out from the edges. Heat a tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Place the paratha on the hot tawa and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Drizzle oil or ghee on both sides of the paratha and cook until both sides are golden brown. Serve hot with raita, pickle, or any chutney of your choice. Enjoy your Punjabi style alooka paratha.